by not having to send trucks 40 miles up the road to a plant or wait in line 20 minutes down the road at another plant or find a place to dump our material. And that's where we have made our own niche market and our own profit center. Hi, I'm DJ Cavaliere, and this is our RM70 Go crusher from RUBBLE Master. We're in this postage stamp of a yard, in a city, industrial area, housing around, and we work out of this small, compact place and produce quite a bit of material in and out of here, taking crushed rubble, concrete, asphalt millings, and turning them into a usable material. We got into on-site crushing by word of mouth. There was a need for somebody with a smaller machine to go around to other contractors and crush their small piles of material, their stock piles, 1,000 yards here, 5,000 there. And at a point we were crushing piles and recycling them from, New York, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and even had some good work up in Vermont. And it really took off from there. We were just bouncing all over the place. It was really a niche market that nobody was filling. Today, now we just have it set up in our yard, in RM70 Go. This is our second one, probably our 5th or 6th RUBBLE Master crusher altogether. And we process our own material. We keep trucks off the road. Traffic is not optimal in this area, and we control our costs. The machine was very easy to move. That was the key. It was easy to move. We get in and crush the job through a small machine, one pass, closed circuit, and the customers were happy. So this RM70 has over 6,400 hours on it, and it's attributed to the maintenance that we perform. Simple oil changes, aligning belts when they're not aligned, changing blow bars, wear parts, obviously the oil, the fuel filters. Everything is ground-based. They don't have to climb up on the machine to do a bunch of maintenance, which is great.
Do maintenance in the machine. The hammer is broken and damage the walls, and it's very important to put the grease in the fittings, because we put the grease, the roller is not working well perfectly. The belt has supposed to be cleaned up, all the rollers between the rollers, and check out the rollers every time, because something roller is stuck, the belt is stuck. Under the machine every day, and you need to clean it up, because clean it up, the material under is broken. Stop the machine.
Daily maintenance is the key factor with any crusher, any piece of equipment. But this machine having over 6,900 hours on it, and it's still in great shape. And I think it'll go another 6,900 hours. For a first-time purchaser of a crusher, I would definitely do a ton of research, talk to people. It is not something you just dive into. There is a lot to learn, and when you have breakdowns, they could be costly. You have to have backup plans for everything. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like, and if you'd like to learn more about crushing, click here. Oh, good.